Alright, for all of you who don't live in an area where it snows, this is the aftermath of nor'easter Quinn, I believe. It's early March 2018. Yesterday, we're in the Hudson Valley area of New York, so I think we got right around 20 or 22 inches of snow, and we came out last night and cleared our driveway. But it's a heck of a lot of snow came down really fast yesterday. Our backyard is covered in snow, garbage can. So we'll take a little video here just to show you. So if you don't get snow, you're lucky. And if you don't get snow anymore because you moved and you miss it, well, there you go. There's our barbecue grill covered up there. The pool buried in the backyard. That's a fire pit way out there. So this is snow. Going up to the front yard here a little bit. There you can see, trees are still covered. They're hanging low. It was a heavy wet snow last night. Alright, so like I said, if you don't get snow, enjoy it, because this stuff is terrible. Take care. We'll try to get you some more images. Here we are, going down the road on my way to work. Just showing you what a winter wonderland this looks like. The roads are pretty clear, so that's good. But there's still snow all over the place. Snow's falling off the trees. Somebody on the side of the road. Mailboxes are covered. Hopefully nobody lost any mailboxes this time. Sometimes a plow comes through and takes them out. Yes, it's happened to us. Not this time, though. Alright, we're back if anything else interesting pops up.
Hi folks, it's Mrs. Average Joe, and we just got a wonderful snowstorm. For those of you who work from home, you got to work from home. Those of you who don't, got to stay home, probably. And these are the trees full of snow. The house is full of snow. And we will give you a view to work. So the trees are looking very good. Very pretty for like 30 seconds till it gets all ugly. Alrighty, so we will be giving you the view in case you live in Florida and you don't get this beautiful snow anymore. We will give you the view. And everyone's shoveling their driveway. Very luckily, we had no limbs go down. We did not lose any power, which is kind of unusual for us. We're usually the first one to lose power. Whoa! And out in the road, pushed all their snow out in the road, which makes it difficult. And everybody's out with their snow blowers and boots. And there's a lot of snow, as you can see. I think there's probably at least 18 inches. All the trees are bent down because there's so much snow on them. It was a heavy snow. And the trees were warm, so it stuck to them. And luckily, this is almost spring, so this snow won't last long. It'll be gone very shortly. And we'll just deal with the wet. But if you missed the snow, here's a shot of it. Although last night when we were doing the driveway, we snowblowed the driveway, it wasn't quite as pretty as it seems today.